Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich tracking the very latest from the First Warn Storm Center for us now. Brad?
Yeah, we're starting to see that storm really wind down now. The latest advisory just out from the Hurricane Center, and it's barely hanging on to hurricane strength right now. You can see those winds at 75 miles per hour, but check out the forward speed northeast at 20 miles per hour. Remember, when Florence was moving into the region, it was moving 1 to 2 miles per hour, so 20 times faster than Florence. And it's actually going to pick up speed tonight. It will be a tropical storm within the next hour, so expect those winds to be down around 65 by about midnight. Now, the forecast track takes it up towards Augusta and Columbia in the next couple of hours. It will weaken to a tropical storm as it passes just to our south, with winds of likely just 40 miles per hour at 8 o'clock in the morning. So with us being on the west side, it's hard for me to imagine we're going to see winds anywhere near 40 because we're on the west side. Those strong winds would be right in this corridor somewhere in here. And then it moves up to areas off the coast by 8 o'clock. So you could see this is going to be in and out within the next 6 to 12 hours as it crosses over the Carolinas and then exits the coast. You can see during the center, we still have the center right around Macon, Georgia, some drier air trying to wrap in there. Overall, the trend is much weaker, but look at the big plume of moisture to the north. That's more of a concern for us, the heavy rain that's going to move in during the morning hours. You see the chance of tropical storm force winds really down. You have to go all the way down to Cheraw to see anywhere close to 50% across Charlotte Northwest. You're talking single percent chances of seeing strong winds. But look at the rain moving in by about 4 o'clock in the morning. It moves into the upstate as we go into the morning hours, 7 a.m. Heavy rain moves into the region. So right at the tail end of the morning commute into mid-morning, here we are at 10 a.m. Some of the heaviest rain and wind will be around this area. And where we get the heavy rain, that will mix down some stronger winds. So we're going to see gusts maybe around 35 to 37 miles per hour. As we get closer to 1 p.m., the storm starts to move right over the southeastern part of our area, maybe Monroe, Wadesboro, out towards Rockingham. And then by about 3 o'clock, you can see the northwest winds start to kick in. That's when the dry air moves in. And by 6 p.m., we actually could see the sun break out by sunset. So that's how quickly this is in and out. Coming up, we're going to talk about the rain chances, just how much rain we could see and how high those wind gusts will be coming up in just a few minutes.